Financial market news from GoldClays. Could the merge also affect the price of Bitcoin? Understand. Market eyes have turned to the merge update over the past few weeks. As a result, Ether, ETH, has been performing better than Bitcoin, BTC. And indeed, the merge may also contribute to BTC price corrections. In addition, Bitcoin miners are increasingly selling the newly mined units, which fuels a negative short-term outlook. This is reflected in the reserves of miners, which record one drop after another. Last week, Ethereum merge progress was 96.55% complete, as per reports. However, some traders do not expect the ETH price to appreciate until 6 months after the implementation of the merge. Binance confirms support for Ethereum fork after the merge. Binance, which until then had not commented on the hard fork on Ethereum, announced news. Per the announcement, the exchange will provide support for the fork that will keep Ethereum in POW. Additionally, the exchange announced that the ETH ticker will be used for the proof-of-stake version of Ethereum. That is, Binance will consider the original Ethereum as the POS. The major cryptocurrency exchange has announced that it plans to credit user accounts with tokens linked to the fork. Therefore, all ETH holders on the platform will receive the corresponding amount of Ethereum POW. We will credit Binance accounts with the minority chain fork token at a 1:1 ratio. This will be based on the airdrop of ETH balances prior to the Paris execution layer update, the notice reads. Bitcoin drops 4% and ETH loses 8% after speeches by the Fed chairman. This Friday morning, Fed Chair Jerome Powell delivered a speech at the opening of the Jackson Hole Symposium. Almost after the speech, Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, recorded strong devaluations. According to CoinMarketCap, BTC is down 4.04% and is trading at $20,677. As a result, the cryptocurrency lost support at $21,000, which is considered essential to avoid further corrections. ETH, on the other hand, has almost doubled its devaluation, with a 7.95% drop. With that, the cryptocurrency is worth around $1,571, or BRL 8,009 in current values. The Jackson Hole Symposium is held annually in the United States and brings together the world's leading central bankers. In his speech, Powell reinforced the commitment to raising interest rates, which had a hard impact on the cryptocurrency markets. BC president says central banker has a fetish for regulation when talking about crypto. The president of the Central Bank of Brazil, BC, Roberto Campos Neto, said at an event held this Friday, 26, by 1618 Investimentos, in Sao Paulo, that the foundations of crypto assets are here to stay. According to a report by Vela, the head of BC do Brazil said that blockchain generates efficiency. People focus a lot on the cryptocurrency, but I focus more on the process, he said at the event. The blockchain process, which is digitizing value and trading, that drives efficiency. Still in his speech, talking about the subject of regulation, he stated that central bankers have a fetish of regulation. Obviously, if an entire country uses a currency that is not issued by the BC, monetary policy is affected, he said, referring to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC. But for him, it is not up to the monetary authorities to say whether an individual should buy something or not. Instead, one should focus on the transparency of transactions and be aware of the opportunities that arise with new technology. Anyway, he defended that people should know what they are buying. Another aspect that worries Campos Neto, according to himself, is the concentration in the crypto sector. We have 80% of crypto assets in custody at 4 companies. We have a big risk of concentration, he said. Investors increase ETH flow to exchanges as the merge gets closer. On Thursday, 25, the Ethereum Foundation revealed that the merge could take place earlier than previously expected. According to the Foundation, the update on the Ethereum network should take place between the 10th and 20th of September. In principle, the migration from Ethereum to mining via Proof of Stake, POS, would take place precisely on the 15th of September. However, the change will depend on another update, called Bellatrix, scheduled to take place on the 6th. The merge will therefore take place after this update. Meanwhile, data shows that major Ethereum addresses have been reducing their holdings. As data from Santiment points out, these addresses are starting to send cryptocurrencies to accounts associated with exchanges. The merge will not generate huge scalability gains for Ethereum, but EIP 4844 will. All eyes may be on Ethereum's upcoming transition to Proof of Stake, POS, consensus. However, there is a lesser-known update that should reduce Ethereum's transaction costs by improving scalability, unlike the merge. The EIP 4844 update will introduce proto-danksharding alongside the next Ethereum fork after the merge. This should increase the scalability of Layer 2 rollups by up to 100x. In the meantime, it will pave the way for full sharding implementation. XRP, BNB, and 2 more cryptocurrencies show signs of appreciation, says Santiment. According to cryptocurrency intelligence firm Santiment, 4 altcoins are currently showing strong signs of appreciation. These are XRP, BNB, PancakeSwap, Cake, and Theta Network, Theta, based on an indicator that measures the general attitude of traders and investors. Among the top cryptocurrency market capitalization assets, those with the most positive sentiment right now are Binance Coin, PancakeSwap, Theta Network and XRP Network, the company said. BNB bears on the verge of dropping cryptocurrency's value by 20%. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, is on a retracement move from the local top in early August. During its decline, BNB appears to have formed a head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern. Although confirmation has not yet arrived, traders can make good gains if they enter early. But the stakes are also high, said analyst Akash Giramath. The analyst pointed out that BNB price action appears to be in the process of forming a head and shoulders pattern, which began on July 23rd. According to the analyst, currently, Binance Coin price is forming the right shoulder. Anxious investors should wait for BNB to finish forming the lower low of the right shoulder, he said. Also according to him, the establishment of higher and lower highs is confirming the beginning of a downtrend. In that case, investors can expect Binance Coin price to revisit the $275 support floor, or the neckline. A retest of this level will confirm the completion of the head and shoulders pattern. Near Protocol launches virtual cards, wallet for iOS and Android, and soon physical cards with cryptocurrencies. Near wants to bring what the company describes as the modern digital banking experience into the cryptosphere. Through the NearPay protocol, the team announced the launch of virtual cryptocurrency cards and its wallet for iOS and Android. The service is currently available to residents of the European Economic Area, EEA, which comprises the member states of the European Union and Iceland, Liechtenstein and Norway, as well as the United Kingdom. The NearPay wallet is now available on all platforms including web, iOS and Android. According to the announcement, users can purchase cryptocurrencies using their credit cards or bank transfers. Japan considers cutting taxes to attract cryptocurrency startups to the country. The government of Japan recently announced that it is ready to review the country's existing cryptocurrency corporate tax rates with a view to attracting new emerging companies to the country. According to the statement, Japan's Financial Services Agency, FSA, and the Ministry of Economy, Commerce and Industry are considering a proposed tax reform by 2023. This tax reform could bring benefits to startups such as tax exemption on unrealized profits. Financial market news from GoldClays.